Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to offer discounts on invoices in QuickBooks. The first step is to enable discount feature. This of course is if it's not already on. Just go to settings, that's the gear icon, and then accounts and settings. Then you're going to click on the sales tab, find the sales form content section and toggle on discounts, and then click save and then done. Next step is to create a new invoice. Click plus new and then invoice. And now you're going to enter your customer, the dates, and of course the items or service sold. Step 3 is to apply the discounts. Scroll to the bottom of the invoice. You can now see a discount field. Enter either a percentage like 10% or a specific amount like $50 or whatever. And QuickBooks will automatically subtract it from the subtotal. Step 4 is to review and send. Now double check the total reflects the discounts and then click save and send to email it to your customer. A pro tip: use discounts to reward early payments, or incentives repeat businesses. Just remember to label the reason for the discount clearly in the message or memo section. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.